This Rode wireless micro camera receiver was announced just a few days ago, maybe about a week ago, and it's actually quite amazing. They're selling this for $79 for those that want to buy it, but I don't know how long it's going to last. But if you happen to already have the wireless micro, you can register on their website, register your wireless micro, and you can receive this camera receiver for free. You just pay for shipping, which was $7.99 in my case. So this Rode wireless micro, I haven't actually reviewed it yet, but I just want to show you guys. I have the white USB-C version, and because it's USB-C, you're not actually able to use it on your mirrorless camera like my Sony a7 IV. So I was only exclusively using this on my DJI Osmo Action and my phone, but now with this I can actually use this on my Sony. So let me just unbox it and show you guys what's inside and how it all works. Okay, couple of pieces of paper, little booklets, regulatory guide, quick start guide. Pretty simple. You can scan to get the digital version. Not much to it. Actually, just like this much information. Okay, make sure it's all updated with the new firmware. Silica gel, do not eat. Inside we have USB-C to USB-C. And we have the classic Rode TRS to TRS cable. And in here, we have the wireless receiver. Oh, it's on. And the battery looks like it's low. Peel that off. There's no LCD screen on this, but otherwise it looks quite familiar to all of the other receivers that Rode has made in the past. So maybe I need to charge this. Let me charge it and then we'll continue. Okay, charged up. So you have a power button here. You have a button to change the input levels, and then a pairing button. And let's just see how we get this to pair. We'll go ahead and power it on by pressing the power button. Alright, when it powers up, you get this green light. Let's take out one of these, or maybe both of these. So these have not been paired to this yet. So let's press and hold the pairing button, see what happens. Okay, so you get this little light that looks like it's searching. Okay, that's it. Looks like it's found it. So there's 3 lights here, different colors. So when it's paired, the 2 lights on the side turn green, and the middle light in the middle, the green one, tells you that it's on and charging. So if I were to put this one away, you can see that's actually the left channel. I put this one away. Now that one's gone away. It tells you that it's been paired. Take that out. Automatically pairs. Automatically repairs. It switches sides, which is kind of, oh, maybe this is 1 and 2, so whichever one comes out first will become 1. There you go. Now they're paired. So now we have a full microphone system. From the original Rode wireless micro, you now have the ability to connect it to pretty much anything you want using this TRS to TRS cable. Okay, here's the Rode Central app. When you plug in the camera receiver, it recognizes it right away. Here's some different options. Pretty minimal options, to be honest. You can see the charge. Right now it's at 100%. You can have the two transmitters come in as left and right, which is split, or comes in together as merged. So I want mine to be split. you have 3 gain settings for the output, both for the output, I guess that's the overall gain setting, and then you have this TRS gain setting, which is the gain for the barrel jack, high, low, mid. I'm going to keep both at mid. In device, you can change the LCD brightness to bright or dim, and then factory reset, firmware. And after you have your transmitters paired, when you take them out, it goes through the pairing process. Once it's paired, they show up right here. And here you have the ability to adjust your 3 different noise reduction settings per microphone or transmitter. Also see its battery status. And also for each transmitter, you can also adjust a dim or bright, a bright or dim LED, and also look at the firmware status. That's it. Pretty simple settings, but it is compatible with the Rode Central app.